Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Fateful cookies cutters and tickets in Cookie Run Kingdom. Alright, let's begin. First, open the game and tap the events feature on the left side of the screen. Head into the daily gifts section where you can collect the Fateful cutters on day 14. Then move to the Essence of Supremacy tab and complete the listed mission to earn more cutters. After that, open the Gem Quest section and finish the required mission to receive additional Fateful cutters. Now return to the home page and access the Kingdom Pass tab. Inside it, you will find more cutters and rewards you can claim. Next, go to the shop section. Open the event shop and purchase cookie cutters using diamonds. Finally, open your browser and search for the CRK Wiki. Select the first website and let it load. Tap the search icon, type coupons, then open the coupon codes page. Scroll down, copy the available codes, return to Cookie Run Kingdom, and redeem them through the top right menu. So that's basically how you can get Fateful cookies cutters and tickets in Cookie Run Kingdom. That's it for this video, thanks.